Hello, spirited seniors of the Over the Hill Yackers community. December's chill may be knocking at our doors, but the adventure is far from over. Today, we're sharing 10 lively, low-impact activities to keep you active and joyful through the cold season. So grab your cozy socks and let's hop right into it. Number 1. Indoor swimming or water aerobics. Dive into the comforting warmth of an indoor pool. Join a water aerobics class and make a splash as you move to upbeat tunes. Number 2. Walking indoors. Don't let the cold halt your steps. Discover indoor tracks or malls for a cozy walking spree. And hey, maybe treat yourself to a warm cocoa afterward. Number 3. Indoor yoga or Tai Chi. Stretch away the winter stiffness with an indoor yoga or a Tai Chi class. It's your path to tranquility amidst the winter hustle. Number 4. Dance classes. Dance the cold away with a class that gets your feet moving and heart warming. Socialize, exercise, and have a blast. 5. Indoor cycling. Cycling indoors is your ticket to staying active while the snow piles up outside. Pedal away to a healthier you. Number 6. Indoor gardening. Tend to an indoor garden and watch your efforts bloom. It's your green escape from the white winter. Number 7. Outdoor Christmas light viewing. On a clear night, a walk amidst the shimmering holiday lights is nothing short of magical. It's a winter wonder waiting to be explored. 8. Snowshoeing. When snow covers the path, snowshoe your way to adventure. It's a snowy expedition awaiting the brave-hearted. Number 9. Puzzles and games. Gather your friends for a game night. It's a battle of wits that promises endless laughs and sharp minds. And number 10. Crafting and holiday decorating. Unleash your creativity with crafting and decorating. The holiday season is your canvas. So gear up for a month filled with low-impact adventures, dear Yackers. We can't wait to see how you embrace these activities. Share your experiences in the comments below. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to Over the Hill Yackers for more senior-friendly adventures. Until our next escapade, stay active, stay joyful, and remember every day is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Over the Hill Yackers signing off.